Here we are with the A7R2, which is now a fantastic price due to the drop with the A7R3 being out. So if you're here because you've just picked yourself up a shiny new A7R2, let's test your ISO. We're using the Sony's ILCE 55mm 1.8, my favourite lens for the system, and we're at 4K XAVCS 100 megabits a second 24p with a shutter speed of 1/50th. ISO is currently 100. Let's progress. 200, 250, 320, 400, 500, 640, 800, 1000, 1250, 1600, 2000, 2500, 3200, 4000, 5000, 6400, 8000, 10,000, 12,800, 16,000, 20,000, 25,600, and there we go. Then we're into the extended after there. Let's see what I think where we should be in a second. Okay, so there we are at 6,400. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So if you are the lucky owner of a new A7R2, this is to give you an example of just what it can do. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.